Hello and welcome to another Chao on Tour episode. This time we are in Tagaytay, Philippines. It is the summer capital of the Philippines. Why is it the summer capital? Because the temperature is cooler. Today is 24 degrees. It's a lovely temperature. Tagaytay is a province in Cavite with about 4.4 million people altogether in the whole province of Cavite. But Tagaytay is a small town with only about 85,000 people. And apparently there are 5 branches of Starbucks here. We are going to visit one of the best ones with a spectacular view of the Taal volcano and Taal Lake. So come with me. We are going via the local transport jeepney. This is my ride here, a tricycle. Ouch. We are here to visit this branch which boasts of the view of the Taal volcano, which is one of the active volcanoes here in the Philippines, erupted as recent as early 2020, just about 2.5 years ago. It has stunning views. Now, Tagaytay is about 65 kilometers south of Metro Manila, the capital of the Philippines, but it takes about 2 hours to get here because of the traffic. Let's have a look at this beautiful cafe. Spectacular view. Unfortunately, we cannot see the volcano because it is very, very foggy. It's supposed to be at the other end of the hill. Anyway, let's go find out what kind of coffee they offer here. Good morning. Welcome to Starbucks at Tagaytay City. This is new. I haven't seen this before. What's special here? Anything local? Tumblers, very typical of Starbucks. And say hello to Starbucks refreshers. Now, I think you have seen me make this drink. If you haven't seen those videos, do check it out on this channel. What did I have today? Okay, let's have a look. For the white chocolate mocha hot, and I would like the matcha and espresso fusion iced in grande.
Grande size. Any additional, ma'am?
Nothing really.
That would be a total of 2 drinks.
Yes.
All for here po.
Yes, to dine.
Can I have your name po?
Riza. Riza.
Riza. Ma'am, kindly wait na lang po sa register. Thank you, Ma'am Riza.
Thanks very much. White chocolate mocha is 100 pesos. That's slightly over $3 in tall size.
Yes.
Right? And my matcha and espresso fusion in grande or 16 ounces is 180. So again, it is slightly over $3. How much is it in total?
That would be 350 pesos. Ma'am, just for a second lang, prepare ko lang yung order.
Okay. So 350 pesos, that's about $7 for the 2 drinks. $1 is about 50 pesos, so $7 for 2 drinks, not a bad price at all. But in the Philippines, that's considered to be pricey on the high end. Definitely Starbucks can command higher price. So now I'm just waiting for my drink. Let's read what are the 4 fundamentals of brewing great coffee according to Starbucks. The grind. The grind determines how long the water and coffee are in contact and how much flavor is extracted. Proper grind delivers only the coffee's best flavors. That's true. Second one is the proportion. Starbucks recommends 2 tablespoons or 10 grams of ground coffee for every 6 ounces or 180 ml of water for proper extraction. 10 grams or 180 ml. Freshness. Think of coffee as fresh produce. The enemies of coffee are oxygen, light, heat, and moisture. That is true. Store open coffee in an opaque, airtight container, like a flavor lock bag, at room temperature and used within a week of opening. That's also true. Should always maintain the freshness of your coffee. And the water. Coffee is 98% water, so fresh, good tasting water is essential. Okay, they're all true. I agree. Now, let's see what they have.
For Rika?
Yes.
Mama, the popcorn.
Oh, there.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
So I've got my hot white chocolate mocha here and my matcha espresso fusion. Let's go find out how they taste like. See the spectacular view behind me, and I think I'll definitely come here for the view. So let's have a look at their hot white chocolate mocha. Ooh, that's like very creamy top. I didn't realize they're going to put whipped cream there, but okay, I'm going to try. I cannot taste the coffee. The taste is that of cream, very, very creamy. Sweet, even though I asked them for lesser sweet drink, less sweet drinks. But it tastes more of white chocolate than coffee. I suppose for this size of cup, the coffee would be diluted. Do I like it? Well, I mean, I think that this will appeal to people that like their coffee sweet or their drink sweet. And now let's take a look at this drink, Matcha Espresso Fusion. Let's stir. The presentation of the drink is good. You've got the coffee on top, the matcha, and the milk, so you kind of see a 3-layer here. I'm always making a mess every time I use this lid. Okay, time to find out. What I'm expecting to taste here would really be a fusion between matcha and espresso. It's quite hard to get that proper balance between the two, especially with lots of milk. Once I stirred it in, the color of the matcha is more dominant than the coffee, and to me, that is a good sign. Now this taste, the color is definitely matcha, but the taste that overpowers the whole drink is the taste of bitter espresso. Suppose in Starbucks they do use espresso roasts, and I find that the aftertaste here is more of the espresso. If that is what Starbucks is trying to achieve, then they absolutely nailed it. But I could hardly taste the matcha, although the color is there. Would I give it a thumbs up? Well, Starbucks being a very popular brand, I think people would definitely be looking for this type of drink here. But if you do try this drink in a specialty coffee shop, or proper coffee shop that sells only coffee, then you probably get a better deal. The price is on the high end, 180 pesos for this one, which is about 3.5 US dollars. For those of you that are planning to offer matcha and espresso fusion, yes, you can command a higher price if you get good quality matcha. I'm not a fan of this drink. Probably would be okay with the white chocolate mocha, but then we came here for the view. And this is Tagaytay City Starbucks Cafe overlooking Taal volcano that unfortunately we were not able to see today. Maybe next time. Well, that was my review of Starbucks here in the Philippines, Tagaytay City. I must say, altogether, I wasn't very pleased with the experience I had here. And also, I was disappointed that the view was not spectacular as boasted because it was foggy. I wish I can come back here next time and see the view in its splendor. But the staff was quite unfriendly. The drink very Starbucks. But we did come here for the view and for you to see how Starbucks is in the Philippines, Tagaytay City, south of Metro Manila. That's all I would like to share with you today. See you for more Chao on Tour episodes on this channel. Stay tuned, click that subscribe button. See you again next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.